that's better. Mark, I knew your life in America would be a little different, but I had no idea you'd be hanging out with a superhero from a video game. So, where's he gonna live? And what happens when he's low on power? I don't know. This whole Ace Lightning thing is pretty strange.
Well, even superheroes who come out of video games have their bad days, Pete.
And they'll break Ace. And they'll crush Ace.
That's the spirit, my mighty minion.
Ace broken.
Yes, excellent work.
Ace Lightning not scare Anvil.
Boo.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Care to try the real thing?
Anvil not afraid of anyone. Anvil grind you to dust. Ah!
It looks like you
Hey!
need a lift.
Oh, let Anvil go!
My pleasure.
Begging your pardon, Lord, but that's what you get when you send a hammer to do a staff's job.
That not hurt. Much.
And your next move?
And that's... And that's what you can expect if you ever try leaving the carnival again.
I can't believe lightning bolted. It appears our do-gooder Ace is running low on power. If we can just keep him from recharging, then it's lights out for lightning.
With the power to see beyond our own solar system, this telescope, weighing 20 tons, was once considered the finest in the Western Hemisphere. Pluto had just been discovered, and astronomers were scanning the skies for new planets, new solar systems, and even new galaxies. The universe was opening up literally before our very eyes. It was a most exciting time, as you can well imagine. And I can remember my own father.
This is where it all happened, dude.
Wait, what happened?
Only the coolest story in the history of Conestoga Hills. The legend of the radioactive guy. Cornelius Fowler was working late, one dark and stormy night, when he saw a comet coming from deep in outer space. Maybe another galaxy.
That's my comet. Oh. That's my comet. Oh.
He brought it back to the observatory and decided to open it up.
They said I was crazy, huh? I'll show them. I'll show them all.
It was radioactive. After that, the dude lost it. Went totally crazy. He wouldn't let anyone into the observatory.
Cornelius, we just want to help you.
You can't come in. No one can ever come in again. I'm radioactive. I'm radioactive. I'm radioactive.
never saw him again. They say he still haunts the observatory, waiting to attack.
Get away from there. Get away from... Boy, get away. This transformer contains millions of volts of electricity. Put that away. Do you have any idea what happens when you come in contact with millions of volts of electricity? What?
You get a shock.
No, you idiot. I get paperwork, mountains of it. This field trip is over. Back to the bus. Go on. Go, 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 go. Oh, I know, it's all fun and games until somebody gets electrocuted, huh?
Hey, Mark. Me and my friends are going to the mall today. Do you want to come?
Sure, that'd be brilliant. Oh, wait, I can't come. My little cousin's coming over, and I promised her we'd hang out.
Oh. Oh, well, then some other time.
Sure.
Sam, come on. We can get a seat together.
Time is energy, Hollander. Move it.
Hello? Anybody home? That's better.
Ace, those are my dad's tools. How many times have I told you, you can't power up here anymore? My dad's electric bill is costing him a fortune.
Get over it, kid. We are lightning knights. You can't put a price tag on saving the world.
You're trying to save the world. I'm just trying to lead a normal life.
Look, kid, I need a place to live. I'd have a normal life, too, if I had a home to hang my cape. If I had a cape. Huh? Watch your back. We've got an intruder.
No, that's just my cousin. This might be a good time for you to go.
Right. Catch you later, kid.
Marky Mark! I want to see the carnival.
Sure, Ashley, we'll go after dinner.
Okay. Then you change my doll.
Change her into what?
She wet herself.
Oh, right. Right. I think I'd rather be saving the world.
Oh! Hey, kid, watch it.
What? It's my curveball.
Mind if I have a go?
Fire away, dude.
Whoa, they shut. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. There goes a big one. Way to go, son. There you go.
That's cute.
Have it. It's yours.
Thanks.
Oh, hey, kid, watch it.
I thought you couldn't come out.
Yeah, change your plans.
Oh, hey, wait a
What happened to them all?
Well, Brett wanted to come here instead. Are you Marky Mark's girlfriend?
Ashley.
Hey, Mark, what's up?
Marky wanted Dolly for his girlfriend.
His girlfriend?
She makes stuff up all the time.
Marky has a girlfriend. Marky has a girlfriend.
Let's go check out that mini coaster. See you around.
Right. See ya.
Here comes the heat.
Chuck, could you look after Ashley for a moment?
No sweat, dude.
Oh, no, wait, kid, please. Look, I'm begging you. Look, anything you want. How about a fish, huh? Just cease fire, okay?
Ace, what are you doing here?
Time to power up, kid. Since I can't use your energy sources anymore, I had to come here. This carnival's got more juice than a car battery.
Come on, Ashley. Straight darts. Ashley?
Ace, this place is dangerous. Lord Fear and his gang could be anywhere.
Tell me something I don't know, kid. Hold on. This will only take a second. And remember, kid, Don't try this at home.
You're a cartoon.
I'm a what?
Ashley, I told you to stay with Chuck.
How do you comb your hair?
Excuse me?
Pay no attention to her. She's just my cousin.
Looks like we've got company.
Doc! You made Anvil angry. Anvil's still angry.
Take a hike, kid. I can handle it from here. Go on.
Oh, I'm gonna squash a lightning bug.
I'll help the cartoon man.
It's okay, Ashley. He can help himself.
Somebody call for help?
Mark's friend needs help. He's a cartoon.
Cartoon? What cartoon?
I think she's talking about the radioactive guy.
We saw him.
Did not.
Did too.
Kids. Ashley, you couldn't have seen the radioactive guy because everybody knows he never leaves the observatory.
Did too. I want to see the cartoon man.
Okay, maybe he's at my house. Let's go find him.
Sweet. Sweet.
I'm beginning to think you don't like me.
You make fun of Anvil. Anvil ram your jokes down your throat.
Remember those words, Anvil. You're gonna start regretting it real soon.
Excellent work, my massive minion.
Anvil happy.
It appears our costume nemesis is almost out of power. Next time we meet...
Anvil pummelize Ace!
I'm wet. Change me. Okay.
Hey, kid! Let me in!
Who are you?
What's it look like? I'm a birdie.
Birdies don't talk.
Well, this one does, you little... you little sweetheart, you.
I'm not allowed to talk to strangers.
I ain't no stranger. I told you, I'm a birdie. Hey, why don't we go visit the radioactive guy?
I know where he lives. You're a ratty-looking bird.
Ashley, get away from there.
Uh-oh.
I'm talking to the ratty bird.
Ow!
Don't ever talk to that bird again.
But he said he knew the radioactive guy.
And don't ever talk about the radioactive guy either.
You're not the boss of me.
I promise you, as soon as I find the warranty for this Sandra, I'm going to take it straight back to the hardware shop. I'm going to give them a piece of my mind.
Aunt Fiona, Marky's being mean. All because of the stupid radioactive guy.
Mark, have you been telling your cousin scary stories?
No.
Then who's this radio guy?
I don't know. She must have made it up. Ashley, you mustn't make up stories.
I'm not making up stories. I'll show you. I'll find him and bring him home. Then they'll know I was telling the truth.
I thought she gave up that hide-and-seek game.
Ashley? Ashley!
Game's over, Ashley. Darling, you can come out now.
I mean, where could she have gone?
I haven't the faintest idea. I mean, it's going to be dark soon.
I better call the police.
It's so unlike her to run off like this. I mean, she doesn't even know her way around this town.
The carnival. Dad, it's okay. I know where she's gone.
Hello. Police?
Radioactive guy? Where are you? Radioactive guy!
There's a lot of people worried about you. It's time to go home. I don't know about you, kid, but I'd give a gigabyte to have a place called home.
Anvil punch to pulp.
We can go home now.
Stand still, you weakling. Stand still and fight, Anvil!
Come on, you're gonna be fine. I'm not so sure about him.
That tickled.
This not tickle.
I just talked to your parents. They're freaking, dude. Is Ashley okay?
Yeah, she's fine.
It's the radioactive guy.
I told you. You couldn't have seen the radioactive guy.
I don't know, Chuck. Sure looked like the radioactive guy to me.
That's just fiction, dude. You know, like a cartoon or a video game or the radioactive guy. He left the observatory.
Oh, Chuck, the observatory. You're brilliant.
Didn't feel a thing.
You dared to invade my domain. And now this battle is nearly finished.
Why? Are you ready to surrender?
Never.
Get on.
We can't run, kid. Lightning Knights fight till the end.
We're not running, we're scooting. Now zap the engine.
Don't just stand there, you brainless bungler! And escaping!
What the Sam Hill is all this racket?
Stop! Get the truck. This fight isn't over.
Listen, kid. If I don't make it, you can defeat Lord Fear without me. Just use your powers.
That's rubbish. Once you've used the transformer, you'll be fine.
Is this a private funeral? Or can anyone join the festivity?
Oh, yeah! You always put the fun in funerals, your lordship.
Anvil brought punch. Big punch.
Ace! Ace!
You called?
Anvil, crush him now.
Wait. Huh? Let's prolong the agony.
Looks like we got a bit of a problem, my lord.
Why is it always me?
I told you not to leave the carnival.
You survived my attack once, Ace Lightning. But I won't be so careless a second time.
Anvil not afraid. Anvil break you.
Happy landing, big guy.
How nice of you to drop in.
Did I break him?
Shut up.
Well, Ace, looks like we found you a new home. Nice one.
Yes!
Oh, we'll be back. And next time we'll destroy his source of power and be rid of lightning forever.
I couldn't agree more, my lord.
I went to the carnival alone. Then after we saw Radioactive Guy, Chuck took me home.
Well, I'm just glad you're home safe and sound, young lady. She has quite the imagination.
Yes, we know. Thank you, officer.
Ashley, you can't take off like that ever again.
Uncle Simon's right. You had us worried sick.
But the radioactive guy needed me. Ask Marky, it's true.
Mark, would you mind telling us what this radioactive guy thing is all about?
There is no radioactive guy.
Mark, what is she talking about?
And I want to tell you, but I mean putting both your lives at risk.
We'll take that chance, Mark. Go ahead.
Okay, but don't say I didn't warn you. His real name is Ace Lightning. He came out of my video game, along with Lord Fear and his gang of evil villains from the 6th dimension. Because Ace Lightning doesn't know anything about the real world, he needs my help to beat them. Because if Lord Fear gets my piece of the amulet, then Ace Lightning will vanish into the data stream, and the world will be doomed.
Well, thank you, son.
Yes. Very enlightening.
Right. I'll take Ashley and tuck her in.
Night, Ashley.
Well, that's what we get for letting him watch too much American telly.
At least he's playing outside.
I won't tell anyone about Ace Lightning ever again. I promise.
Thanks, Ashley. That means a lot to me.
You're a way better superhero anyway.
Well, Pete, looks like we finally found a home for Ace Lightning. We're calling it Thunder Tower, like his headquarters in the video game. Once he powers up there, nothing can stop him. I finally think we stand a fighting chance against Lord Fear.